The Cow Loves Cookies by Karma Wilson. Whenever Farmer feeds the horse, he feeds the horse hay, of course. The horse just loves to nibble hay. He eats it every single day. But the cow loves cookies. Farmer knows what chicken needs. He always gives them chicken feed. They scratch and cluck and peck all day. They love their feed. The horse loves hay. But the cow loves cookies. The farmer feeds the geese each morn. He always gives them sweet cracked corn. They honk for joy and flap their wings. They love the corn that farmer brings. Hay for horses, yes indeed. Give those chickens chicken feed. Corn for geese, they love it so. But when it comes to cows, we know that the cow loves cookies. When farmer feeds the hogs their slop, they love to eat that gooey glop. They oink and snort, they grunt with glee. They eat like pigs, it seems to me. Of course we know the horse loves hay, and the chickens love their feed each day. Geese love corn, as all geese should. The pigs think slop is mighty good. But the cows would never eat that stuff. You couldn't pay the cows enough, because the cows love cookies. Farmer's dog just loves to eat when farmer gives him doggy treats. He gulps and gobbles with delight. He savors every meaty bite. Hay is what the horsey needs, and chickens all eat chicken feed. Geese munch corn, it tastes so fine. The hogs think slop is just divine. The doggy adores his doggy treats, but cows would rather eat things sweet. So why does the cow love cookies? She and farmer made a deal, and every day they share a meal. Farmer packs a picnic lunch, and when the two sit down to munch, he takes cookies from a tin, and the cow gives milk to dunk them in. Yum, says the farmer. Cow says moo. Cow is happy. Farmer too. They both love milk and cookies. But the duck loves quackers.